It's not that bad. It's not bad. So it's now got about 7 in the morning. Well, we're going to go and get rid of this car. We're going to go and collect a Honda Civic that might or might not be broken, sight unseen, and it's for free. Oh, what the fuck? Ew! Oh, breakfast. Oh! Oh, it's a turbo car.
Yeah, so we can tell where the Civic. Hold on.
Oh my god. No. Need a toasty bacon.
Oh, yeah.
Are you genuinely, like, considering it? What the...
Should we put some in the Civic, the D14?
Yeah, improves power, reduces emissions to 90%.
If it improves power by 10%, right, the Civic goes from 89 brake to 98.
Get in the Minge-mobile. 50 Shades of... What?
Can we get a pan round for our Starbucks? It looks like a £2 million house in the Midlands.
Just a random fuse on the fucking floor. See, what have you got for breakfast today?
Mini eggs and Monster. Healthy.
Up
it's
and down.
white, so it's healthy.
Ah!
Be road bashing with that.
It's a game changer.
I'm just going to drive it here like this.
Take this voucher to any participating Shell voucher must be redeemed before 31st of August 2002. Interior check. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Let's check the ashtray.
Yeah, good idea. What's in the ashtray? Bags or...
Oh, no.
Oh, never mind. Let's check the glove box.
Oh.
A little bit of playing first, not loads. Just got like 6 neutrals. Please don't. Let's just try and get out of the fucking neighbourhood. So we've just picked up this free ratchet as fuck Civic. There's mould. I've tried to wipe down the mould as best as I can. Oh. Lady does not look happy. She's just turned away. Okay, so we picked up the car that we got. We didn't really buy it. I would have said that we would have bought the car, but we actually didn't. So we've now acquired the car. It's got coilovers on it, although we've had to raise the rear up because you may have heard that sound. There was a cracking sound not long into it, and something's broken somewhere. Don't know what it is. Nope, can't find it. Never mind. Yeah, but it's a Civic that we were given, so it's, you know, what can you do, I suppose? So show them what you've got here.
Hot shit.
It's a hot shit. Alright, now you need to try and get a stick in there now to try and wedge it open.
No.
Because that's on there to stop you from drinking it. Holy shit, that smells good. What? Is that everything?
The octane booster is in.
It's
all
now
of it.
It's now 110.
It's now a whopping 98 brake horsepower.
We didn't even read the instructions on it.
This car's going to explode. Yeah, the instructions just says, right, simply add the entire contents directly into... Not recommended to add hot shit to less than 50 litres of petrol.
Oh!
We've got half a tank, and half a tank in them is about 27.5 litres, so...
Okay. Holy shit!
That's 1800. It's gonna bottom out. No, it's not. Somehow.
Mechanic in a bottle! It's been fixed! The hot shit has fixed the car!
It might have actually made a difference.
Yeah, it's actually removed the check engine light. It's actually fixed it. Yeah, he doesn't break up past 5 grand anymore. Yeah. It's actually improved the car. Fully functional vehicle, you were saying?
Yes. for one that isn't particularly functional. In a
And
few
now
aspects.
he's got. So explain what's going on here. You've got a free tyre pump.
That might not work. Oh, these not polarized.
It's just negative and positive,
It's either
you know.
gonna suck or it's gonna blow.
Oh my god, yes! Go for it. Oh, it's working. Wait, can it actually go the opposite way?
Yeah.
I was doing look.
Oh yeah, it sucks.
Oh yeah, go for it. Yeah, he's left the wheel covers
Is
already.
it sucking or blowing?
Stop blowing.
Ready?
No.
Go. Chuck on and see what we're dealing with here. It's a free Civic. Oh well. Somebody's been jacking it up here on the rear arm as well. I hate that. There we go. Put that back up in there. Yeah, won't worry about that. Explain to what's happened.
Rot.
Rot. He's more rot.
So when metal gets wet and full of air, something happens called rust. This car has a lot of it.
Hey look, this is a weird design. Rover used actual screws on this one.
What the fuck?
Yeah. But Honda decided to use plastic clips instead. They figured they were better. It's got no up and down play. Side to side play. Oh! 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 Oh, it's It's yeah, it's well, it's something. Might come out. This is not going to come out. This is the sort of job that I can't even record this part. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're still watching, let me explain what's happened here. So the rear arm over here, it's still in, which is using an incorrect bolt. Somebody else has put this bolt in. It's what I hate on old Hondas. People just think, nah, we'll stick a low tensile bolt in there. Should be mint. Yeah, and what's happened is it's snapped, gone off there. That part of this arm's supposed to be connected here, and well, it's not. It's split from there. It's still here, existing within spirit. So what I need to do is remove this bolt from here, this bolt from there. See what's left of this here, and by the looks of it, it's split halfway because it's missing from here. So yeah, I'm probably going to get back to you on this, or maybe not. The free Honda, it's really coming into its own now. Here we go. I'm sure the camera can't see what's going on right now, but I am dissecting the bushy. Oh no!
What is that?
Don't lie, I know you're there. There's two washers whacked into a low tensile bolt, holding a... What's that? I am excited for this summer. You're going to become a welding master by the end of this. Your welds are going to be impeccable.
It said Lewis, and he went yes, and I went Lewis, the sill isn't there.
It's not there. It's now 6 foot away. Yep. Oh.
Oh!
What? Is it bad? It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Is it actually that? It's that bad. Oh no, it's that bad. Oh no, it's that bad. Do we show the audience? Oh my god.
Don't make it worse.
I'm not making it worse. I'm just making it safer. Yep, gone.
Mate, no, stop. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself.
It does go this way. It goes this way. We're on track, boys. Forgive and forget, it's fine.
That big hole in my car.
How many of these gas bottles do you think we're going to need to use? Round number 2.
Yeah, that's just not attached there. When people start ringing me, I'm gonna kill myself. I'm already going to at this rate. No, stop removing my arm.
There's going to be like a 20-long video series of us welding up this Civic.
Repairing my shitty car.
This is going to be fun.
I need emotional support.
Don't worry, I am the emotional support. It's fine.
No, you're not. You're actively pulling more of my car apart.
So this wasn't on like video, but we were talking about how bad could this car be. And I said, well, if that's gone, the rest of the car's probably really, really bad. But then, one of us said, but there again though, this car's in the Midlands, so it's not by the soul, so surely it's got to be good. I've got, like,
I saw it on the floor and I can't be able to find another one.
I've got about 6 hammers in the garage of like different types, and yet this is the one that bro goes for. Ladies and gentlemen, how good it is on this side.
Fantastic.
This is the side, now, for those of you who drive on the correct side of the road, this is the side that's always in the salt. So surely this is better, right? We're off to a cracking start. Once again, guys, it's within 30 centimetres of something structural, and it ain't. Pop it on. No, we are actually going to fix this, guys.
Tune in next time, it's just a tribute to me because I've killed myself.
Subscribe for next video, guys. Tune in next time when we D15 swap this Civic. That was actually on the cards. And then taking this to the Nürburgring was also on the cards. As he slaps it, there's just more rust falling out of it. Well, the day has now turned to night, and we're still here fighting with this. So, the bushing has finally come out.
Here's a training on bushing tool.
Yeah.
Clamps onto the arm.
Yeah.
And pushes the bushing out and in.
Okay, cool. Sound. So now we have to go through, do the misery of fucking cleaning up all of the, the inside of it. Oh, fun. We're going to ignore all this here, though. That we'll worry about that later. So, obviously nobody wants to see a bushing getting pushed in to, you know, a bottom arm, but I've got to tell you, this was the biggest pain in the ass. Like actually. So what had happened was the previous owner had jacked it up here. And in doing so, this whole thing has been, well, warped. So this is now in here. Look, you can see how fucked it was to try and get it in there. Where's the bushing? Where's the this is an oval. Look, it's an oval, not this part, the outer ring. It's an oval. And we had to make this an oval to get it in there. And now it's in. Now we can go install it back in the car again. Okay, we spent ages lowering this car because it's like a different design where you keep the spring right, but you rotate it at the bottom. So you've got to rotate them there, as you can see. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. That is outrageous. Yeah, we've been at this for like 2 hours to try and get it to this point, and it is like, oh, so late. So it's time to pull the axle stands out. Oh, dude.
What?
Oh no, keep going. Oh my, that is mint. That is
Cecil, by the way.
that is mint. I know it's like you could go lower, and I know there's gonna be that one guy who's like, that's not low. That is low enough. We are in the UK. That is low enough. Drive out, dude. There's the police headquarters. Dude. There's the police. Don't do that. Yeah, not bad for a free Honda. And 3 days of absolute misery, but still. Look how dumpy it is. It's like so, it's so low. it's